Hello, it's Mike, and today we're going to have a look at Microsoft Forms. So first off, you need to log in at office.com or portal.office.com, and then on the home page click on the 9 dots in the top left corner, click on all apps, and Forms should be in your list there. So this is the Forms home page. You've got two options. You've got the option of a new quiz or a new form. They're both identical to create. The only difference is when you submit a form, the user can submit another form again, whereas a quiz, they've got one lot of answers and then that's it, done. They can't resubmit. Okay, so I'll just show you. That's the quiz, that's the form. So let's title this. And then to start adding questions, you click on Add New. So we'll go for choice first. And then what Forms does, it gives you options. It'll auto fill, so you can just click those and it'll auto fill it in for you. So if you want to type out, you don't have to use these, you can put your own entries in there. You've got text based, so you could answer type a question and then let them enter their answer. If you need it to be long, click here, and if you want it as a required answer, then click there. They won't be able to progress through the form without filling this in. So you can delete it there. You've got rating. And then you can change the symbols if you want to numbers. A lot of people prefer stars. And you've got the option of choosing all the way up to 10. You've got date, so if you need like date of birth or things like that. Well, this one's a good one. So please rate how satisfied you are, and you'll see that Microsoft Forms has given me these options, so I can click to add them all. So then they can choose which statement they'd like to rate. So you can add your criteria in here, and then if they're very satisfied or dissatisfied, they can choose the options there. Here is responses, so when you make your form live, this is where you'll be able to see all the information. This theme up here in the top, so you can change the background if you want. Plenty to choose from, and then there's also a preview button, so this is what it will look like. And you can see you can select these things, very satisfied, I'm dissatisfied with that, and click submit. And that's what the user will see. And as you see, because this is a form, we can submit another response. If it was a quiz, it would just be the one set of answers. So click back, and then when you're ready to send this on, click collect responses, and you can copy the link here to send it on. You can also shorten the link, so I'll just show you. That's the original link, and then if you shorten it, maybe like that, so it's a bit more neater. Now you can email this over, or you can have people from your organisation. And that's about it. And you'll see here, I've put my responses in, and you can see all the data there. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, give it a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button.